HVAC. Still at this ice machine cleaning. Like I say, the owner didn't want to use that pump because it's leaking at the bottom, but it do work. So I got this new pump right here. Brand new pump. I don't know if you can see in here, but you see it. I let the old pump run, so I got the new, and it is producing ice. But like I say, this machine is very dirty. See, I don't know if you can see all that dirt back here. See if you can see that. Look at that. Make sure you can see it good. So I got to do a lot of maintenance on this thing. It's probably gonna take me a couple hours to clean this. And no telling how long this been back here. That's why I try to stress. You got to do a maintenance. Cause, I mean, look at this. Incredible. Number dirt. See this? Never seen an ice machine this filthy. Never. That's why you want to maintain the unit, you gotta get a. This unit, it's 1993, it'll last forever, but still gotta maintenance. You can do all the repairs, but that's ridiculous. Now I done ran out of water pressure. God, oh, I got a kink. Oh, I got a kink, so this is what I use, nickel safe. Supposed to run it through a cycle, but I'm gonna run that water hose through there. Alright, but like I said, I'm gonna run it through a cycle. And just like the on switch to produce ice right here, you turn this vertically and it'll just rotate all the water through it. So that's what I'm gonna do. See if I can find some water though. This thing ain't got no water pressure in here. God. Alright, I'm out, HVAC people.